Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect Hisense AC to Wi-Fi so that you can easily pair and control it with your phone using the ConnectLife app. Now over here I do have a Hisense standing unit, but it doesn't matter the model of Hisense AC you have. I'm going to be showing you two ways to do this, and even if your Hisense AC does not have Wi-Fi built into it, by the end of this video you should be able to connect your Hisense AC to any phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone. So first things first, if your Hisense AC actually supports Wi-Fi connection with the ConnectLife application, you want to go ahead and get your phone, and whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, just make sure you open up the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and then from the search bar at the bottom you want to search for the ConnectLife application from Hisense. This is basically the application, so you want to select it and then make sure you download and install this app into your iPhone or Android phone. Once the app is installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here and then set up the application on your device. So tap on next over here, tap on next, and now you want to just tap on the close button over here. Proceed to sign into your ConnectLife account if you already have an account, or you can even create an account by tapping on the create ConnectLife account over here. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account that is linked to my ConnectLife app. And once you're signed in, you want to give the application all of the permission it requires. Click on why using this app, click on allow. You can tap on skip from over here. Now finally, in order for you to pair or connect your phone to your Hisense AC using the ConnectLife application, you want to tap on this plus icon on the bottom right over here and then tap on add a device. Now basically you want to add your air conditioner, so select on AC and then choose a residential option over here. Now go ahead and select with remote control option over here, and now you want to follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with your Hisense AC. So first you have to turn on the AC with your remote control, and then next you want to tap on the swing button on your remote control for 6 times. Then finally we can now pair it with our phone. So basically you want to get your remote, and on your remote you want to first of all turn on the AC with the power button, just like so. Now once the AC is turned on, you want to go ahead and tap on the swing button, which is this button over here. You just want to tap on it for 6 times, so just tap for 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you're going to hear some beep sound on the AC. If yours does not beep and you do not see the Wi-Fi logo, you can tap on the sleep button over here for 8 times, depending on the model of Hisense AC you have. But once you see the Wi-Fi logo or it shows 77 on the display, then Wi-Fi is turned on. If you do not see the 77 or Wi-Fi logo on your Hisense display, then you can try the whole process again, or it simply means that your Hisense AC does not support Wi-Fi. You do not have to worry. Towards the end of this video, I will give you a solution that will work out perfectly fine for your Hisense AC. But if you're able to see the Wi-Fi logo or the 77 display on your Hisense AC, at this point, you want to go ahead and get your phone, and then from the top, just tap on next, and then next. Now your Hisense ConnectLife application will start to search for available Hisense ACs it can actually connect to. If it does not find your Hisense AC, just tap on search from over here to search again, and after some time your Hisense AC will start to search for the Wi-Fi of the AC to connect to. At this point, you can swipe down through the control center of your phone and then come over to your Wi-Fi settings. Just go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi settings, then look for the name of your Hisense AC. You can see mine over here, and then just proceed to connect to it. Now once you're connected, you want to go back to the Hisense application over here and then just tap on next. At this point, all you just have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions, and your Hisense AC will be added to your ConnectLife application, and you can start using it to control or operate the AC without any problem. If in your case your Hisense AC does not support Wi-Fi connection with the ConnectLife app, in that case you want to try the second method for this video. What you want to do is to open up the Google Play Store one more time, and then you want to go ahead and search for the application known as the Mi Remote app. So you can see this app over here. Just make sure you download and install it into your phone. For iOS devices, you would have to get a different version of the application known as Remote Master. Once you have the Mi Remote Control app, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from over here, then set up the application as well. So click on agree, and now you want to tap on add remote, and then also proceed to select the AC option. Basically these are different appliances you can add, but in this case we are going to be adding an AC, and then also select the brand of AC. which in this case is also the Hisense AC. So go ahead and select Hisense. This application is going to give us different configurations which we can try with our Hisense AC to see which one works with the AC. So you want to continuously tap on the power button and see which one your Hisense AC responds with. And while doing this, you want to make sure you point your phone to the Hisense AC just like so. And we're going to do that together. So just point it to your Hisense AC and then tap on the power button to see if it actually responds with the AC. So I'm going to try this one. Does it respond? No, mine does not respond. So I'll tap on the no option over here. You want to try another one. And you can see the second one actually worked out for me. It just turned on my Hisense AC. So I'll go ahead and tap on yes over here. And then it is also asking me if it will turn off the AC. So I'll try it again. And also it turned off the AC, so I'll go ahead and click on yes. And basically I now have a different application which I can now use to control and do anything I want on my Hisense AC. So I'll tap on the check button at the top over here. And now to turn on the AC, I can use this remote control. So just tap on it, and as you can see, it's actually turned on the AC over there. You can also see that you can do a lot of things from over here. You can increase the temperature and also reduce it. So I can as well go ahead and change the speed, the swing of the AC, and even change the AC mode as well. All of these features actually work perfectly well on your phone. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.